Hey everyone, Mike with Albright Pressure Washing and More. We received a call about paint that spilled on some flagstone pavers. Hey, accidents happen. This is what we did to remove it without damaging the pavers. Step 1. Apply graffiti remover to the surface when it's still dry and let it work for about 10 minutes. Step 2. Pressure wash paint using a hot water setup with the temperature set to about 190 degrees and a white tip. Hot water and graffiti remover combined will break the paint's bond from the surface. You need to be careful and not use too much pressure on flagstone as it can damage the hardscape, and it's always a good idea to do a test spot in an inconspicuous area before cleaning the whole surface. Thanks for checking out our video. Please like and subscribe to see more pressure washing videos.